Hi everyone, it's Miss Nergz again. Welcome back to science class. Since we have studied all the science book, we have finished the curriculums so far. So it's time to do some homeworks and some questions. And I think you guys have all answered the questions. And I know that you're all curious about the correct answers. So today I'm going to let you know about the correct answers as well as I'm giving you new homeworks. So today's plan is doing some worksheets together and then doing the chapter review for page 226 and 227. So stay tuned with me. Let's first do the worksheet and then I'm going to tell you about the correct answers of the chapter review. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. Guys, I want you to answer all these and then send it back to me. Okay, and in the next week, the next science lesson, I'm going to let you know about the correct answers of all of them. Okay, as well as giving you new homework. All right. Let's start. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. We've got these keywords: shadow, light, refraction, reflection, absorption. Number 1. Blank is the bouncing of light off an object, like seeing yourself in a mirror. Number 2. Blank is made on a surface when an object blocks the light to touch the surface. Something will show up on the wall, let's say. Number 3. Blank is stopping the light. Stopping the light. 4. Blank always goes on a straight line in air. 5. Blank is the bending of light when it moves from a state of matter to another, like seeing the difference of the pencil in water and air. You remember, I'm pretty sure that you remember this, that when I put the pencil in the water and it was obvious that it looks like it's broken, but it's not. What do you call this? What do you call this phenomenon? Question number 2. True or false? Just write T or F or cross it or check it off. Number 1. Light never goes on a straight line. 2. You can see through opaque objects. 3. Light is also a kind of energy. 4. Visible spectrum contains only blue, red, yellow. 5. When you see a red apple, it's because the apple has absorbed the red light and reflected the other colors. True or false? 6. Translucent objects reflect and absorb all lights. Translucent. Question number 3. It's the matching. You guys love this one. I don't know why. You're just in love with this question. Match the correct words with the correct definition. We've got these keywords: A. Prism, B. Transparent, C. Translucent, D. Opaque, E. Visible spectrum, F. Reflection, G. Refraction, H. Absorption. The definitions. 1. Is stopping by an object. You have to write the correct answer, which is A, B, C, D. Which one do you think that is correct? In those blank cubes, okay? is the bending of light? Number 2. Number 3 is the bounce off of light. Like seeing yourself in a mirror, because your image will be bounced off, which like you are presenting a light. When your picture hits the mirror, it's bouncing off so that you see yourself. What do you call this? Number 4 is all the colors of the rainbow you can see. 5 is a solid object bends white light into rainbow colors. 6 is the object in which you can see through clearly. 7 is the object you can see through but blurry and not so clear. 8 is the object does not allow you to see through it. It has absorbed all the lights. Alright, students, please, I want you to know the most important thing, as I have always been telling you, the most important thing is the chapter reviews and these worksheet questions. Be sure, make sure that all of the questions that you will get in exam, you have to answer in exam, it is in these worksheets or in the chapter reviews. No more, okay? And here is it, the chapter review answers. You've been looking for this, I know. Alright, from page 226, the blanks, they check the vocabulary reviews. Number 1, refraction. Number 2, prism. Number 3, visible spectrum. Number 4, opaque. Number 5, reflection. Number 6, transparent. Number 7, absorption. Number 8, translucent. From page 227, the multiple choice one. Number 1, C. Number 2, A. Number 3, A. Number 4, B. Number 5, C. Number 6, A. I hope that all of you has answered in the correct answers, and if you have done a mistake, please rephrase it, correct it in your book, so whenever you study for exam, make sure that you have the correct answers with you. Alright, and I am going to publish the correct answers of the worksheet that I gave you right now, the next science lesson. You've got homework. Please, please, please listen up very carefully to me. Do the chapter review, please, okay, of page 254 and 255, and send it back to me. You've got 9 days from now, from today, until the next science lesson. You've got 9 days. So you have the whole free time, I think so, to answer all of the questions. And don't forget to send it back to me. So the next homework that you're going to do is, like when you stop watching this video, what do you start to do? First, answer these worksheet questions and send it to me. These worksheet questions that I gave you. And then do the chapter review of Unit 6, Chapter 1, which is page 254 and 255. Thanks for listening and participating. Good luck for everybody.